left myself on the way again.
Where's the dog? Okay, good.
If this moves,
I'm gonna send this to you. You're gonna.
time just standing still. When I see your prophet speaking to me, wise words of passage late. And if I took them, then I'm sorry, baby. I shouldn't have took them that way. Though these words may be mine, I sit through the very seams of time and space. I'm a werewolf and I love a human lady.
You are gonna die. You're gonna piss your pants when you see this.
I am a werewolf and I love this human lady.
You love blood.
I love blood. I love blood. I love blood. I love blood 'cause I'm a werewolf in love.
You're gonna fucking die. Who?
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? No.
Who is it?
Mom, I don't want no kibbles and bits.
Oh my God, this is the funniest
blood.
shit. Could you go
I
back?
love blood. Is that creepy? Is that creepy? Huh? Come in.
Say
I
that.
want blood. And I love blood, yeah.
What's your favorite movie? Twilight.
And I love blood.
Look at.
And I love blood.
I'm
'Cause I'm
videotaping
just
you.
a werewolf in love. See? And I want blood. And I want blood. I'm a werewolf and I love a human lady.
I love it.
My favorite movie, Twilight. All the episodes show me in the highlight.
And you love.
I want blood. I want blood. I want blood 'cause I'm a werewolf in love. I want blood. I want blood.
Funniest shit I've seen in so long.
Awesome. You have to do that more
This
often.
is going on YouTube. Ooh, oh yeah, Howl.
I didn't do it with all the different masks I got.
Howl.
All the other jobs.
I'm a werewolf. I occupy Berkeley. I'm in love with a human lady. She tastes kinda like kibbles and bits, but I don't give a shit. Yeah. I want blood. I love to find some blood. 'Cause I'm a werewolf. Oh yes, I'm a werewolf in love.
Fucking classic. This is going on YouTube.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
It's not funny.
I was out one night. I was stalking people, you know.
Yeah.
And
What happened?
came across this mystical woman. I started sucking the blood out. And I ate her arm, I think. She looked me in the eye and she said, "Oh." I said, "Oh my God, I love it when you cry that way." It hit me straight to the heart, so I ate the other arm, I admit. The rest of her, I got your blood, baby. Want blood? I want blood. 'Cause I'm a goddamn werewolf in love. I want blood. Give me blood.
Oh my
'Cause
God.
I'm a werewolf in wub.
In Wub? You just made my day.
Well, that's not good. I'm glad I made your day because I'm about to eat you after this.